chocolate. But who doesn't like chocolate? I know everyone loves chocolate. Even my brother Miles is living very long. He's eating the chocolate. Comment down below who wins this challenge. We're going to do some pretzels and some Oreos. Double stuff. A bowl, a plate, chocolate, pretzels, Oreos. Let's swipe onto it. Make sure you get punched for this and before you use scissors. Like this one's very sharp, so I ask permission. I want to eat one. I want to taste how this tastes like.
Chocolate! Chocolate! Chocolate!
Chocolate. Chocolate! Chocolate! I can't even talk about it. It just tastes so good.
Yum!
Beep boo boo bop boo boo beep.
Looks so delicious.
Yum!
Time for dipping! I'm so excited, guys. Now, mine are the Oreos. Wow, guys, look! I just dipped it in. Yum! You finished, so now we're going to do the taste test. And for the try the marshmallow first. This looks like a marshmallow. I really like it. It's so good. I really like 1 million some thumbs up. 1,000 million. I get this all the way up to the top as number thumbs up. Now we're going to do the pretzel. Pretzel time. I like it so much. It's so crunchy and I like it. Because I love the chocolate but not the pretzel inside. I like the pretzel. They're both good to me. Marshmallow is better than the pretzel because I touched those before. I'm going to continue eating my marshmallow. I'm going to try the Oreos. But they're going to taste, I think they look ugly. I'm going to try what they're going to taste like. They're ugly, but they taste good. Oreos are number 1. Marshmallows number 2. And sorry pretzels last. They're all first place. That's it, Russ. Continue eating it. Now we're going to do some rainbow marshmallows. Yes, rainbow marshmallows. Which I am so excited, guys. Now let's head on to it. Stop eating them! I really taste so good. I'm coloring them all blue. I'm gonna color mine a rainbow, like boo 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 boo. Part of the blue right here, and then like green right there. Okay. I'm making an art. Can you this open, please? Yes. I'm not gonna use all the colors. I'm just gonna make the green. Wait. It's actually candy. I'll eat it now. Now we eat them. I like Oreo. Very sweet. But it's not one of my loose teeth. It hurts. Mmm, good. It's so sticky and sweet. It's be a candy version of salad. Look at my back of it. Like a rainbow. Okay, guys. We will see you next time in the kitchen. Bye.